Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make quick and easy Chinese lo mein stir fry recipe. This recipe is so good, you don't have to settle for any greasy takeout. It's healthier, you know exactly what goes into your food, plus it's very delicious. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I have some vegetables here that I'm going to use to make the lo mein stir fry. Since we're making a stir fry recipe, you want to get all your ingredients ready and prepped. I'm going to start by prepping all my vegetables. I am cutting up some green onions. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. I am also cutting up some bok choy. If you don't have bok choy, you can also use cabbage. And if any of the veggies I am using in this recipe doesn't interest you, you can always switch it up for your favorite veggies. These are already cut up carrots and bean sprouts that I picked up from my grocery store. I also went ahead and minced up some garlic and ginger. Once you have all your veggies cut up, you're going to set them aside, then put together the sauce for your lo mein stir fry. I'm combining some soy sauce, oyster sauce, some sesame oil, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything in, then set the sauce aside for later. The last ingredient you're going to prep is your noodles. So I have some lo mein noodles here. I'm going to cook them according to package instruction. You want to cook the noodles until al dente. Make sure you don't overcook them. Once the noodles have cooked, go ahead and drain them, then rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and firm them up. Make sure you drizzle a little bit of oil on your noodles to prevent them from sticking together. So now that we have all our ingredients prepped, we're going to start cooking. I have my wok heated up over medium heat. I am drizzling in some olive oil. As soon as the oil starts getting hot, we're going to add the whites of the green onions. Next, we're going to add the minced ginger and garlic. Then we're going to cook these three ingredients for about a minute until they begin to get fragrant. Then we're going to add the carrots and the bok choy. You're going to turn your heat to high and cook the veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes until they soften a little. You're also going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Once the veggies have cooked, we're going to add the greens of the green onions and the bean sprouts. Next, add your cooked lo mein noodles and the lo mein sauce we made. Go ahead and stir continuously until the sauce and the noodles and the veggies are very well incorporated. We're only going to cook this on high heat for about 1 minute to bring all the flavors together. And that's it, you guys, we are done. Very simple, delicious Chinese lo mein noodles. If you don't want to keep this strictly vegetables, you can add chicken to it. This Chinese lo mein recipe came out really good. My kids really enjoyed it. If you guys want to make this recipe, check out the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.